Why do some old hand planes have grooves milled into the bottom? These are called corrugated planes. This is a Stanley 3C. The corrugations were supposed to be a premium feature that made the plane easier to push, but in practice they don't seem to work. It feels just like any other plane. Flattening these planes is a little quicker because there's less material to remove, but that's pretty much the only benefit. These planes are awkward for trimming because the corner of the wood can get stuck in those corrugations, and you can get little bits of stuff stuck in the grooves, and that keeps the plane from cutting well. When I first started woodworking, corrugated planes were cheap, so I bought a bunch of them, but slowly I've transitioned to only using smooth bottom planes. This was never a very good idea, which is why modern makers don't do it anymore. And you might be wondering what's going on with my lip. I hit myself in the face with a camera this morning, or it's herpes.